हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं अनिल जैन आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल मोटिवेशनल गुरु पे आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। सो गाइज, आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मोटिवेशनल गुरु। सो हम हमारे एक नए फ्रेश एपिसोड के साथ आपके पास वापस आ गए हैं, आपको आपका मोटिवेशन का डोज देने के लिए। आज हमारे साथ एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट आने वाले हैं जो हमारे उनकी चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट की जर्नी प्लस उनकी पर्सनल जर्नी के बारे में हमें कुछ बताएंगे। एक आम आदमी चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट की पढ़ाई करके कैसे अपने जीवन में कुछ गोल, कुछ सक्सेस अचीव कर सकता है, आज हम उसकी स्टोरी सुनेंगे। काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग रहेगा दोस्तों। सो हमारे चैनल के साथ जुड़े रहिए, मोटिवेशनल गुरु। चलिए Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Motivational Guru. Today we have CA Harsh Jain with us in our second episode of our motivation. So Harsh, I welcome you to my YouTube channel Motivational Guru.
Thank you, Anil, for bringing me onto your channel and giving me an opportunity to share my success story or share some few episodes of my life to motivate the audience.
So moving our series of questions ahead, we would like to ask first question to Harsh that can you please tell our audience about yourself?
Yeah, I'm a qualified charter accountant, currently associated with having 2+ years of experience post qualification, and currently associated with Grant Thornton with BF under BFSI Banking and Financial Service Taxation team. Apart from that, I do run my own startup, A Plus Investor, which provides investment advisory and portfolio management services.
So that's great. We have a consultant with us today as a chartered accountant. So moving the series of question ahead, the second question I would like to ask you, Harsh, is that can you tell about your life stories to our audience from your childhood till now?
So basically, I am born and brought up in Mumbai. I've done my schooling from HVB Global Academy. From my childhood, it was there in my mind that I have to create my own identity. I have to achieve something in life and make my parents feel proud. So after my schooling, I choose charter accountancy as my career, and then after I worked hard upon it with dedication and with sheer focus. I qualified as a charter accountant, and thereafter I initially started my career into transaction advisory and international taxation team, and currently now associated with Grant Thornton for BFSI tax team.
So Harsh, can you just elaborate something about your chartered accountancy course? Like, was it easy for you? What were your struggles into achieving this degree? So can you just elaborate something more so that any student who want to pursue this course can just view this video and get some benefit out of it?
So basically, about charter accountancy, I have seen that and I have experienced that many students have a myth that to pursue the career, to pursue this course, you need to be very intelligent, you need to work hard, you need to be studying around 16 to 18 hours of a day, you need to get good grades in accounts and in your 10th and 12th examinations, and all this is all bullshit. This is very preposterous. To be very frank, I being a very average student, with my hard work, I have cleared the examination in very first attempt. So it only requires proper planning, proper strategy, and hard work.
So yes, we learned that hard work is the key to success. So moving the series of question ahead, Harsh, would you like to share some success stories of your life so that our viewers can gain some motivation from you?
So at this point of time in my life, I feel that much more success is awaiting and yet to come. But till the journey till now, I would like to share a few one of my incident. So basically, during my C final examinations, I used to prepare notes for each and every subjects, and just 10 to 15 days before the examination, I lost my direct text notes, so at that point of time, I was very demotivated, and I was totally blank that what should I do, and I had a fear that I would fail and all these things. but that at that point of time I made my mind that I will prepare that again and set a target for around 3 days. So I remember I just slept for around 2 to 3 hours for that continuous 3 days and completed that notes in 2.5 days. So from that I learned that nothing is impossible. If you set in your mind, it is all about your mindset. If you set it, if you will achieve it.
So that's great. That's a small story, but we learn a lot from it. That yes, dedication and hard work can make you achieve anything. And by the way, to let you know that he was a chartered accountant at the age of 22, where many of us are just roaming into our colleges and having fun. He started his career over there. So moving ahead the series of question, I would like to ask you a question, that would you like to share some failure stories of your life so that our viewers can learn something from your mistakes and can avoid them to achieve their goals?
So failure, I feel, are part and parcel of life. They are a small chapter of your success story. I would like to share one of my failure incident. So I was very good in chess, and I was 3 times consecutive champion at school level. I was representing my school at inter-school level, and there were around 6 to 8 rounds, and after that final 8 needs to be selected. I just passed on around all the 6 rounds, and in the final round I knew the opponent personally and I have defeated him several times in the past. So I was very confident enough that it's just a matter of few minutes or few hours that I would be qualified for final 8 and would make my school proud of it. So in that overconfident I made certain impatient moves, and eventually I lost the game and all my hopes were shattered of making my school proud. So from that I still remember this incident. So from that incident I learned that never underestimate your opponent, and always give your 100% to in every situation. Yeah.
So that's a small one, but we learn various key points which are very important, that never be overconfident. Always judge your opponent well before making any move, and do your best at every walk of your life. So moving ahead with a series of questions, the last and the most important question I would like to ask you is that, can you give some advice, some tips, some motivational thoughts about yourself so that our audience can learn something from you?
So basically, from my personal experience, I have learned that nothing is impossible in life. As long as you set it in your mind, you will achieve it. So life is tough, life is challenging, but you need to be more tougher. So life graph is not like this, or it's not like this. Life graph is like this. So there would be ups and downs, there would be success and failures, but the most important thing that you need to take, that need to be done by you, is never give up, never stop. If you fall, stand up and run again. So that's it. Nothing is impossible. Just never give up in your life.
So that's a great piece of advice, that life has a various ups and downs. There are tops, there are bottoms, but the most important thing is to move along, to get up, get ready, and to move towards your goal. So guys, that's it from our video. We thank Harsh Jain for coming on our platform and giving such a wonderful advices. Thank you.
Welcome.